Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So over the last week or so, Microsoft has been progressively and steadily rolling out improvements and changes to the new Bing search with the new Bing chat, as I have been posting. And for our kind of daily dose of the new Bing chat, according to Microsoft over on a recent Bing blogs post, the latest is you can now share your chat responses using the new Bing chat. Now, I have fiddled around a little bit before posting this video, and as yet am not seeing an option or any feature to share chat responses using the desktop version of the new Bing. But just to give us a general idea, if we just head over to a screenshot provided by Microsoft from that blog post, they say they've added the ability to share Bing chat responses with others in Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, email, or using a persistent link. And here you can also see in the bottom right of this screenshot, they also have included WhatsApp. So obviously WhatsApp is another social media platform you will be able to share your chat responses with. So this seems to be on a controlled rollout, and this image seems to be from a mobile device. So obviously chat responses will be making its way to the desktop version of the new Bing sooner than later. Now, while we find ourselves in the new Bing, just to do a quick recap of some of the improvements and changes that Microsoft has made available over the last week or so, just to do a quick collation if you would be interested and you have missed some previous videos. Now, I would say the big one here, and the one that's caused the most debate, so to speak, would be they've added the Bing button to the top right of Microsoft Edge, which basically Microsoft is calling the Copilot for the web. And I have posted on this, and I've even posted one or two videos on how to remove the button from Bing. So if you would be interested, just do a search on the channel. So that's the first one, the new Discover Bing Chat button now in Microsoft Edge, as Microsoft says, your Copilot for the web. And then some others just to mention for the purpose of this video. Microsoft say they are testing faster responses, and I have mentioned this briefly. So just to check if the faster responses have rolled out, let's just say hi to the chatbot. And no, that's still taking a second or two, so nothing has changed there. So obviously they are still testing faster responses, which hasn't been made available yet. And yeah, we can see they've increased the chat turns per session to 15, and also the total chats per day is also 150 total chats per day. And then just one or two left. They've also improved contextual understanding, according to the blog post. And I'm quoting this. They say they've improved the ability for Bing to absorb larger amounts of context in creative tone conversations. So that's when you're using the more creative conversation style, which allows for better grounding, improved summarization of longer documents and pages, and longer conversations. So improving the contextual understanding of the creative conversation style. That's another improvement. And then the last one, I actually want to just head over to the actual blog post, because I have been asked on the channel, how do you add a Bing chat to Skype? And just to give you a bit of a closer look, if you would be interested, Microsoft says this is how you go about it. So they say you can skip the line and use the Bing preview in Skype with your friends. Simply join a group chat where at least one person is approved and Bing as a participant, and everyone can talk with it regardless of their waitlist status. To chat with Bing, simply add @Bing at the beginning of your message. So that's how you can include the group in Skype chats with Bing, or you can add Bing to a Skype chat. So if you were wondering, that's according to Microsoft how you do it. So that's just a couple of the so-called changes and improvements that Microsoft has made available to the new Bing over the last week or so. And as mentioned, the latest now is you can now start sharing your chat responses with different social media platforms. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.